guys, welcome to my channel, and I have a brand new video for you guys today. I'm going to show you how to install you a 360 lace frontal unit. I don't show you how to construct this wig because I did not make this wig. My sister made this wig for me, and the way in which she did it was, you know how a 360 comes. She put it on a head, like on a mannequin head, and just sewed the tracks in a circle versus sewing them back and forth. So that is how she made this wig. I plucked it and bleached the knots. I didn't have to do too much plucking. It came with a really nice hairline. But I'll show you guys how to fit the wig on your head. Some things I did just to just secure my back, because I didn't want to glue it down or tape it down because I can't see the back of my head. And this isn't a full lace unit. Now if I get me a full lace, honey, I'm gonna be looking like, ooh, what? But I really just want to wear my hair up because it's cold, and yeah, sorry about that. But anyway, guys, before you do anything, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so I can bring you guys more tutorials. My next tutorial after this is either gonna be a makeup tutorial, or it's gonna be a tutorial of me making a wig, like making a wig with supernova hair, which I've had that hair for forever and they've been so patient with me. So I really need to get that video out for you guys. But again, I don't know the details of this hair off top. I will link it in the bottom, the details on this hair. Anyway, thank you for clicking on my channel, and thanks for watching this video. I hope it's informative. Bye guys. Okay guys, so I've searched on YouTube looking for a tutorial that tells you exactly what they do to lay their 360 wig. This is my first time putting a 360 wig on myself. My sister put it on me once before, but it's like, girl, I don't know what's going on in the back of my head. So guys, we are going to experience this together. I do want to let you guys know one thing I did. So the lace on this unit has already been cut, and I'm just going to keep this folded back because I've already fitted it to my head. When my sister put it on my head, she pulled this clasp back here. It comes with this in it, and I'll put the link to this hair that I got off Amazon. It was like $100, maybe $120 for 360 and two bundles, which is all that is in this unit. And she sewed the unit in a circular motion, like in a circle. She didn't sew them like side to side like you normally would. But I basically made it as tight as could be so it's really snug on my head. Now the only thing that I find is an issue with making it that tight, and I might redo this, is it tends to buckle in the back, so you don't have a smooth, it's not smooth in the back. And I even thought about cutting this part out of the unit altogether and just sewing it to a point where it's snug on my head, but I'm gonna give this another chance. Actually, you know what, I can't. There's no place to put the additional hooks. It's all ripped, so I have to do it on the tightest clamp. I think what I'm gonna do though to alleviate that is place two wig clips back here. So I'll place two wig clips back here. I've already molded my hair with a stocking cap that is closest to my skin.
Seems like she did it again. The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I do let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Now we get the time. Oh, yeah, it's true.
Okay guys, so I've sewed the combs in the back of the unit, and I'm still going to make it as tight as I can, and pretty much because there is no place to put those combs in, I'm just gonna link those combs together, and then when I put it in the back of my head, I'm gonna slide those combs under my cap to secure the wig in the back so that it is not bunching up. And I may not even put any adhesive back there, I'm not sure, we're gonna see. Okay guys, so you see this little like white line along here, and I was like, I'm gonna put foundation over it, which I'm still gonna do, but I keep trying to cut it away and the edges still get that light looking line of demarcation. So what I'm doing right now, and what I just tried doing, was putting a little bit of the Got To Be Glued gel along that line and just kind of pushing it into the stocking cap, and it seems to take away that white line. So I'm gonna do that along my hairline, and I'm using this Got To Be Glued gel. I really don't care to use the yellow one. Way too many extra flakes, and guys, when you're doing this, you only need a real little bit.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I do let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be.
Okay guys, so I have the wig on my head and I've cleaned my hairline with alcohol already. I'm gonna be using the Ghost Bun XL. I got it off Amazon. I want to try bowl hold too, but I don't know. I figured I'd try this one first just to see. So they said you only need like a real little bit, and I'm gonna do 3 layers. I'm using an old makeup brush to apply this, and
They got someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, then I can bring it to you. I'll dedicate all my love to you, only baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to pull you out, and let you know everything will be alright. Oh, yeah, I wanna be down, I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. No matter time, it's true. I wanna be down, got to be down with what you got. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. No matter time, day and night, it's really down, wanna be down.
while I'm waiting for that to dry, I see a little bit of hairs in that, so I'm just gonna pull that out because I don't want no hairs making my application messy. So it's almost dry for the most part. What I'm gonna do is go from side to side as best as I can. I'm pulling this lace. I'm almost kind of scared because I don't want to mess it up. I'm pressing down on that. Pressing down on that corner ear part, because that is vital that that stays down. I usually don't like to touch over where I'm putting something, but in this case it said you do need to press down on it for the best hold, so that is what I am doing. And I'm trying to make sure that I'm placing that lace over the top of it. Oh, it looks so good. Let me not get too excited, bitch. You still got a whole nother side to put down. Okay, I need to pull that. Maybe that's a little bit too far forward. Ooh. For my first time, I think this went really well. Wow. There's a little bit of excess. You probably can't see it, but there's a very little bit of excess that I didn't get the Ghost Bond over. Concerning the back of this, guys, I decided that I'm not gonna glue down the back. It's just way too risky, and I even shaved off all my kinks that's in the back. Got a cold. Okay, but yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back. What I did was I did tie it down for about maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes. I made myself some breakfast, and then I took off my scarf. The hair is already pulled up. I brushed it up into a ponytail. I decided that I'm not gonna do the adhesive. I feel like the way that it is on my head makes it already pretty much look natural. I'm gonna show you guys what the back of it looks like. If it look like trash, don't grill me in the comments. But I am also going to show a finished look of, you know, what everything looks like. All right, so this is the back. As you can see, it's fairly flat. It goes down around my ears, and I just figured like I will pull like some hair down or whatever right there. But yeah, that's the back of it. I didn't glue it down. I just have the clips back there, and it's fairly like snug on my head, guys. Like, it's not moving. I hope you guys can see that. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more just so you guys can see it up close. So yeah, that's the back, and I'm gonna cut these hairs a little bit shorter, but I just feel like I should pull them down since I'm not gonna glue it down in the back. Okay, so putting it in ponytail. Guys, I like this bow. I like, not boho, but the this Ghost Bond. Like, it is, I love it. I feel like it makes my lace look so good, and my lace is not moving, and it's not too tacky. Like, it's not moving, y'all. So I'm not gonna try and pick up the hair that is already down in the back that I showed you guys, but I will show you guys me brushing, I guess, the hair up. Now this hair is nothing special. It is nothing special. This hair was only purchased just so I could make this, or my sister could make this wig for me. That was the purpose of this hair. I didn't buy this hair because it had rave reviews, but it is fairly cheap. You know, sometimes you just want a ponytail. And I believe this is 20 inches in the top. So yeah, that's it in a ponytail. Oh, I left out a whole bunch of hair back here. Okay, let me do that again. All right, guys, so this is it. This is me with my 360 closure wig that I got from some hair off Amazon. And yeah, I hope this was helpful and insightful for you guys. I know this video is a little bit long, but make sure that you guys like and subscribe, honey. Like and subscribe this video, and you know, I can make more tutorials for y'all. Look, my little bun coming down already. It's okay. I'm gonna just wear it down in a ponytail. Nobody gonna be able to see the back of my head anyway. All right, bye guys.
Done with you.